This is the new release of Hemi-Sync Unlimited. It's our first major update really since the app first came out. So we're super excited about it and we hope you guys like it. If you have an existing account and you've previously bought stuff from us from the website, make sure you log in using the same email credentials and password as you use for the site. That will make all of the purchases from the site available on the app, and you can add them to your library, use them. If you're new to us and you want to create an account, you can either do it through the website or you can create it right here using either Apple. This is an iOS version. The iOS and Android versions are substantially similar, but this is the Apple version. You can create an account using either your Apple account, your Facebook account, or your Google account. So just do whatever suits. The subscription you can access again and sign up either through the website or through Google Play or the App Store, iTunes. Whichever is easiest for you. You'll get access to the same content, roughly 250 titles, including the foreign language titles. It does exclude certain premium content, such as the album series, like Gateway Experience, although there are 5 free Gateway tracks that are included in the subscription. But other album series, such as Out of Body, Techniques, etc., those are premium. New releases are also premium, though most of those eventually rotate into the subscription pool. Once you've signed in, this is the same familiar home screen. Daily Sync is right at the top. That's available to everyone, even folks that don't have a subscription. It'll rotate through several tracks that are available free of charge. Please enjoy those. And then as you scroll down, you've got your favorites. You've got some recommended titles. You can scroll through those and keep going to your recently played and scroll through those. This is your library. So all the albums that you've previously added are here. To add something new to your library, simply go to the Explore tab. So let's say we want to add concentration. Click on concentration, click those 3 dots, click Add to Library. You go back to Library, it should be there. You can also add it to a playlist, like that. So here I can either create a new playlist and title that, or I can add it to my existing playlist here. I'll just add it to my existing. I go back to my library, look at my playlist 1. There it is, concentration. Here's the Explorer screen. Again, it should look pretty familiar if you've used the app before. Same basic functionality. Some improvements though. The search feature, we've improved quite a bit. We think you'll have a much easier time finding stuff that way. And the 4-language globe up here, this is also much improved. Once you set it, you may have to click Done and then log out and log back in for it to fully reset. But once you do that, it should be good to go. So once again, by applications, you can still browse for whatever you like. Scroll down, you can browse by genres, the album series, Gateway Experience, Human Plus, Meta Music, Mind Food, and Flying Man Records as well, which is straight music. That's our record label. And top rated selections are down here. Moving left to right on the bottom menu, this is our new mixer screen. So this is the kind of cool new invention in this version of the app. We're very excited about this. So from here, you can create your own custom Hemisync. You can select from a variety of ambient noises and choose your own carriers. So you can either pick Focus 10, which is the mind awake body asleep state, Focus 12, which is the state of expanded awareness, or down here F15, which is the state of no time. So once you do that, it shows up in your mix. And from here, you can adjust the volume. You can pick your carrier. You can add a bunch of other stuff too. And then you set your timer. It goes up to 220 minutes. So it's a great tool if you want to do an extra long exercise. You're familiar with the brainwave frequency that you want to use. Maybe you just want to sleep or study. It's a great tool. Hope you guys like that. And finally, we've rejiggered this last tab on the right called More. Here, if I click on my name, it will show me what I'm following. So I can change the categories that I want to sort by here. I can also check on my subscription. So I'm currently on a monthly, so it's offering me an annual. I can log out. And that's basically it. That is Hemisync Unlimited, brand new version. Hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for watching.